Welcome to Anley Flags. Today, we'll show you how to set up your custom pole banner, ensuring it looks great and stands out. Now let's carefully open the box and gently take out each item. You'll find 6 hose clamps. Use these to securely attach the brackets to the pole. 2 brackets. These will support the banner on the pole. 2 rods. These are part of the framework that holds your banner. 2 screw pins. These will help lock the rods in place. The pole banner itself, your custom design ready to be showcased. In addition, you'll need a few tools that are not included in the box. Make sure you have a duct tape and an electric screwdriver to start with. As we begin the installation, the first step is to decide the clear height for your banner. You'll want to measure from the ground up to where the banner will be mounted. For most situations, aim for a clear height of 8 to 10 feet to ensure it's visible and clear of any obstruction. Use a tape measure and a temporary marker to determine this height on your light pole. This will guide where you install the brackets. Let's begin by installing the upper bracket. First, use the duct tape to temporarily fix the bracket to your marked position on the pole. Next, attach 3 hose clamps to ensure the bracket is firmly anchored to the pole. We recommend using an electric screwdriver for this step efficiency. Please note that there should be 2 clamps at the top of the bracket and 1 at the bottom. Now that our upper bracket is securely in place, it's time to attach the banner. Start by sliding the fiberglass rod through the top hem of your pole banner. Then, insert the rod into the upper bracket. Once aligned, place the screw pin through the bracket and rod to lock them together. Finally, tighten the nuts on the screw pin to secure everything in place. Now slide the remaining rod through the bottom hem of the banner. This will help you estimate the correct position for the bottom bracket. Once you've identified the placement, attach the 3 remaining hose clamps to secure the bracket in place. Unlike the upper bracket, the orientation for this one will be different. Position 1 clamp at the top and 2 clamps at the bottom of the bracket. This setup allows the 2 rods to create a slightly open angle, ensuring the banner fully extended and holds tightly against any wind. Carefully adjust the position of the lower bracket so that the banner is pulled tight and lays flat without any wrinkles. Check each hose clamp, starting from the top of the pole and working your way down to make sure they are fully tightened. And there you have it. Your custom pole banner is now perfectly set up and ready to catch the eye of everyone who passes by. Thank you for choosing Anley Flags for your display needs.